Jasper AI has a new landing page and a lot of things to talk about. Welcome back on Digital Toolcase, and in this video I want to show you some big news just released by Jasper AI. I just finished to watch their official presentation of this news, and I want to show you something really interesting that makes Jasper AI even better and, in my opinion, still the best AI writing tool, the best AI writing assistant you can find and you can choose. Anyway, as you can see there is a new landing page. This is not so important, but if you click on the link you find in my description here below the video, you can reach this site, and you can, if you want, if you never tried Jasper, you can try it for free with 10,000 free words. But as you can see here, there's a breaking news, and this is the big secret that Jasper was holding in the last months. Jasper raised 125 million to build the future of content marketing for creators and companies. There is an article written by Dave, the CEO of Jasper, and published today, where you can read all these things. What our Series A funding round means to you, our customers, because with this 125 million fund raised, they have now a 1.5 billion valuation, and this means that this tool will never go away, will give us something new and better day after day and month after month. In this article you can also see some of the news that I will show you in this video. This is a really important part because more money means for us that use Jasper AI more quality, more improvement, and this is important because this is a working tool. We use it to work, to generate content. It's not a toy, it's something we use to earn money, so it's really important that the company behind is solid. Now, the first big news about Jasper AI is the Jasper Chrome Extension. They finally released this fantastic Chrome extension that lets you use Jasper AI wherever you want on the internet. I think most of the sites are integrated, so you can, for example, if you are used to use Google Documents, you can write with Jasper directly inside your Google Documents. For example, by installing the extension, I can go here, click on the Jasper icon, and as you can see, I have my templates, all the templates you have inside Jasper AI. So you can, for example, here search for whatever you want. Maybe you need to write a blog post, you need to write something else. You can choose one of the templates and generate content here. For example, video topic ideas. You can insert here what topic should the video be about. Let's say AI writing tools news, for example. Keyword to rank for, let's say, AI copywriting. Tone of voice, let's use witty, the standard one. Let me go to one output, for example, just to show you how it works. By clicking generate, I have my options here. I can simply copy them into my document, for example, like this. And as you can see, I generated with AI, with Jasper AI inside my Google Documents. I can do the same thing, for example, if I need to write a Facebook comment. Here, as you can see, you have your Jasper icon. You can use Jasper to write comments on Facebook, or maybe you can use it to write your YouTube titles. For example, by clicking here, you can choose, I don't know, you can choose video titles. You can insert what the video is about, the keyword, the tone of voice. You can generate the best titles, the best headlines, the best descriptions by using this Chrome extension. At the moment it works only with Chrome, but they will release it also for other internet browsers, and you can use it even inside WordPress. This is a new article in WordPress. Even here I can choose my Jasper icon here and write something inside WordPress. Let's try, for example, with the blog post, the one-shot blog post, one of the best templates inside Jasper. Let's create an example. Let's say our blog topic is how to write a good SEO article. Let's say like this, tone of voice professional, and audience. We can also choose an audience here. So let's say bloggers. This is our target. One output, generate, and in a few seconds I will have here inside WordPress a one-shot blog post. It's not an entire article, but it's something to start your article and maybe make it even better in just a few steps. Okay, as you can see now I have my output. I can even in this case copy and paste it here in my WordPress article. As you can see, it's not too long, because with this template you have more or less 400 words, 400, 500 words. Not bad to start for, and the fact that you can use it here inside, directly inside your WordPress article. And I think this is a great improvement, because you can use now your favorite AI writing tool wherever you want. Now I'm inside the Jasper AI dashboard. As you can see, there is some slightly changes. I already showed these things some videos ago in preview. Now you can see something has changed, nothing too drastic. Anyway, the next part is Jasper Art. Art is not in beta anymore. Now it's officially slightly changed for this interface, but I want to show you something. Let's try to generate something really quickly, a gorgeous fruit composition, colorful, photorealistic. Let me click on create, and after a few seconds I will have some images. Okay, here are my outputs. They are quite good. If I click here, as you can see, I have these dimensions. But if I click here on download image, as you can see, now I have the chance of upscale my image. And here it is. By the way, image upscaling is pretty expensive, but we wanted to let you try it. We run the image through advanced computer vision algorithms that can increase the size and quality. It's included in your art subscription today, but might be moved to an art boss mode plan in the future. Anyway, when you download your image, you can download the original size 512, or you can choose to upscale to 1024 or 2048 in the moment you download this image. This is another improvement, so you can use these images in some more professional situations. And this is another news inside Jasper AI. In the templates section, now you have officially released the content summarizer. I already showed you this preview in my last video, where I showed you the beta version. The big difference here for this summarizer is that now you can insert your content up to 12,000 characters. So, for example, let me copy something. Let me copy this entire part, this entire piece of article. As you can see, it's just 2008 characters. You can reach up to 12,000, so an entire article. And now you can summarize it, and you will have an output with some very quick bullet point. As you can see, this is a way to, for example, generate some takeaways for your blog article. Really, really interesting, and this is another news inside these templates. I already showed you the job description one, and I forgot to show you this one, the tone detector. As you can see, you can insert something here. For example, in this case, you only have 800 characters, so let me use just this part for this example. Okay, and now I can detect the tone of voice used in this piece of article. So maybe I want to use a consistent tone of voice, and by using this template I can understand what kind of tone of voice has been used. In this case, passionate and excited. So you can maybe use this tone of voice when you write something and you want this kind of tone of voice. You can now have also this personal LinkedIn post. This template generates some specific posts for LinkedIn if you use it. In the presentation, they also talked about a new way to generate articles or everything else. It will be called workflows. It's not this standard blog post workflow, but you will be able to create your personal workflows and assemble more templates so you can follow your personal workflow when writing something in Jasper AI. I'm seeing that it's not still available here in my dashboard, in my account. I think they will release it anyway very, very soon. Another interesting thing of this promotion is that until November 1st, if you will upgrade to an annual plan, or you will activate an annual plan, even if you still are not a Jasper customer, you can have, obviously, with the annual plan a 17% discount. So instead of paying $59 monthly for the Boss Mode plan, you will pay only $49 monthly. So you will have 2 months for free. But until November 1st, they will also give you a gift. They will give you these free credits, 150,000 if you upgrade to annually now or activate an annual plan, plus the 17% discount. As you can see, I already have some bonus credits here, and these credits never expire. You can roll them month after month if you don't use them, and this is a great thing of being part of the Jasper experience, because sometimes they will give you some credits, they will gift with some credits, and these are the credits I accumulated until today, plus my usually monthly credits. And again, if you click on the link you find here in the description, you can try Jasper for free with 10,000 words without problems for 5 days, so you can see if you like it, and maybe upgrade to an annual plan before November 1st and have all these credits gifted to you. I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know better how Jasper works, I leave you here a link to one of my previous videos where I talk about Jasper AI. If you want, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can help me to grow the channel and make many more videos like this. Thank you so much, and see you soon in another one.